Okay, this is a video on, say you made a recording and you put all kinds of processing on it, and after you've played it back, somehow it just doesn't sound like the original recording. So what we're going to do here is a simple little trick to make it come back to the original recording. We're going to take the tone, harmonic distortion. I'm going to put it up here as first, right? And you're going to listen to the recording, get an idea how the recording sounded, and then you're going to take the tonal harmonic distortion and lower it until it sounds like the original recording. So tonal harmonic distortion, harmonics. So say you take a note, an A note, a harmonic above that would probably be A sharp. The harmonic below it, A flat. So when you're lowering the harmonics, it's going to take it back to the original recording. So, and I think this is a problem that some artists deal with. They get it, they go to a producer or a mixer or whatever, and they say, well, it doesn't sound like the original recording. It feels like it's changed. So, I mean, this is something you can do, or this is something you can tell the engineer to do, and lower it until it sounds back to the original recording. So this is just a short video on how to do that. If you like the video, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel for more audio engineering tips and mastering tips. Bye for now.